National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Rockingham County, Caswell County, southwestern Halifax County until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:36 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Ringgold to Harrison's Crossroads, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, Emergency Management. Several downed trees were reported as this line of storms passed through Henry County. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Reedsville, Yanceyville, Bethel, Jericho, Prospect Hill, Camp Springs, and Milton.